The Karachi Stock Exchange has demonstrated remarkable positive performance in the recent past, driven by a combination of favorable government policies, a decrease in the policy interest rate, and encouraging economic indicators.
The same performance of Pakistan Stock Exchange is very much appreciable. If you see the index, 100 index, it has crossed 82,000 points, which is a historical movement for the Pakistan Stock Exchange. This increase is mainly due to the reduction in the policy rate by State Bank of Pakistan in view of the decline in the inflation that was recorded 9.6 in the month of August. And the other factor that has contributed in the performance of the stock exchange was staff level agreement reached with IMF to secure $7 billion and this standby financial arrangement will be for 37 months. The other main factor that is the fuel prices that have been reduced and the government have passed its benefit to the consumers. That will have the positive impact because it will reduce the energy cost of the companies, that will help in increasing the profitability. So obviously when the profits of the companies will increase, the investor will invest in the stock.